Hello everyone, greetings from IIT Ropar, Punjab, India. My name is Avnish and I am a PhD student working under Professor Arpit Singh and Dr. Ravikant at IIT Ropar. So my title of the talk is Development of Cold Sprayed Titanium Baghdadite Composite Coating for Bioimplant Application. Arthritis is a very common problem in humans nowadays. There are two major solutions to overcome this problem, that is steroid injections therapy and implantations. Steroid injections life is very short and the therapy is very painful. On the contrary, life of the implants is 10 to 15 years approximately. So manufacturing of these implants is a two-step process. In the first step, base part of the implant can be manufactured, and in the second step, surface modification of these implants can be done. Thermal spray is one of the most widely accepted surface modification technique to enhance the surface properties of these implants. It is believed that cold spray can overcome the limitations of the thermal spray technologies such as phase change. This is the cold spray system that we used to spray the composites of titanium baghdadite powders in these given ratios. So after the development of coatings, XRD analysis are performed to ensure no phase change after the cold spray of these powders. So surface SEM micrographs along with EDS elemental analysis revealed the presence of baghdadite in composite coatings. Furthermore, cross-sectional SEM micrographs shows that the coatings are well adhered with the substrate. It is also observed that with the increment in baghdadite content, porosity and surface roughness increased, however coating thickness decreased. Corrosion performance of these coatings and substrates are also evaluated in Ringer solution for 2 hours, 16 hour and 40 hour of immersion time. Potentiodynamic scans and Nyquist plot shows that the coatings are successful to protect the substrate from the corrosion. Also, corrosion resistance of the coatings is increased with the increment in baghdadite content. Post-corrosion analysis has also been performed, and the SEM micrographs after the corrosion revealed that the top surface of the substrate has peeled off after 2 hours of immersion. However, if you see, in case of coatings, because of the formation of oxide layer over the surface, corrosion resistance has improved. The formation of these oxide products has been confirmed by performing XRD analysis on the corroded coating samples. So from the results, it has been concluded that the composite coatings are successfully deposited over SS316L substrate, and coatings helped in protecting the substrate from corrosion. Coatings corrosion resistance has also improved with the increment in baghdadite content. Thank you for listening.